That's...
I want eggs, but I don't want... These eggs have poop on them.
It's because they came from real chickens.
Yeah, that's disgusting. I'd rather have eggs that have bad things in them than that are clean. I'm not gonna freak out anymore. So
They probably wash them.
Your camera away.
What do you mean you're not going to freak out anymore?
You brought your camera out because I was freaking out about all those bugs.
Oh, really? You mean these bugs?
Ooh.
Bugs in the lasagna?
Ooh! Don't bring it back out! Babe, put it... Ooh! Put it... Oh! It's leaking stuff! I hate you.
Well, as long as you're not going to freak out anymore.
I hate you.
What's that on your shirt?